ND filters for the DJI Flip. Now I sent these filters from FREEWELL, pretty well known mate for especially for DJI drones and their filters. I'm going to go straight into it, guys, because before we go out to fly the drones, and I'll be showing you the filters itself, you need to know how to fit them, because they are slightly different, especially if you've got the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Yet again, those filters will not fit this drone. The camera is slightly different at the front there, and I'll show you in a moment. But I just thought I'd just show you first what you get with the pack. So you get a nice presentation pack from FREEWELL. You've got your filters in the pack there. You've got some QR codes there. One's for instructions, the one's a manual, and I think you've got the video. What you get with the box, slightly different now. One, you get a lifetime warranty, which you have to go online for. You get your sticker thing, that's from FREEWELL, and not forgetting the cloth. Now the cloth is most important, because you're going to see in the mo why you're going to need that cloth. So here's the pack. Now I've got the standard day pack. There's your filters in there, and you've got the ND8, 16, the 32, the 64, and you've got 128, and you get a paralyzer filter. For the bright day pack, you will get a 8 paralyzer, you will get the 16, the 32, the 64, you get a paralyzer ND 1000 and a UV filter. What I will do when we go out, after I've shown you how to fit the filter on itself, I'll be taking you, with this one we'll be flying over the land. I'll be doing a compare. I'll be putting on the 64 because I live in Spain, it's going to be pretty bright here, and I'll be comparing it with and without the filter, and it'll be the same here, where I'll be going over the sea, same sort of thing, showing you a 64 and one without. How do you install it? Obviously first you just remove the cover. I'm going to stand up for this, guys, because it is a little bit fiddly. I'm just going to take one of the filters out. Now I don't think it really matters which way you put that filter in, really, other than just placing it on there. You can see I've got my finger all over it, and you just push it in. Now hopefully you heard the clip then, you could just do it that way, but I did find I ain't got strong fingers. So just pushing it in, letting it clip, and obviously then using your cloth just to clean over the lens there. Because you've got to make sure, guys, you're holding that camera really steady. And to remove it, it's the same sort of thing. You just push in those two clips at the side and pull it out. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go out on location. First location will be going over land, and what I'll do side by side, one with, one without, and then we go to the sea. So watch me on the next step. I'm at my first location. I'm going to be using the standard day 6-pack by FREEWELL. I'm going to be using the 64 because it's nice and bright here in Spain. As you know, it's not a cloud in the sky, so perfect conditions. And what I'm going to do a comparison, guys, one without the filter and one with the 64 filter. And then after that, we're going to move on to another location, which will be over the sea. So I've already put on the filter. Guys, it's best obviously put the filter on when the drone is off. Don't forget the piece of cloth, because you will tend to get your fingers over that filter. So the filter's on. I'm just going to show you quickly on the screen what you need to do. Usually it's on auto. To me, it looks fine, but people don't like that. So we go into Pro. Now what I've done, I've got it on 4K 30. The shutter's on at 160 and the ISO's 100. But just in case you don't know how to do that, if you go in there, you've got the top one on the EV, you got the ISO, I set it at 100, the shutter speed at 160. You can mess about that, you ain't got much to play with. And obviously with the video footage, I got it on 4K 30. Shall we get on with it? a second location. I'm using a different set of filters from FREEWELL, and that's the Bright Day 6-pack polarized filters. Now I'm at a location where we've got some sea, which we'll see what happens. Now where I'm facing now, when the drone flies out over the sea, the sun's going to be in front of it, so it'll be a good test. As before, I'll do a comparison side by side, one without, one with. But at the moment, we've got the ND filter on. It's same as before, 4K 30, 1/60, 100 iOS. Let's do it. So I hope you enjoyed that test with the ND filters or without the ND filter. Now I just use the 64. Obviously you can use other filters as well, depending on the location where you are really. Usually back in the UK I'm probably doing like a 32 or a 16, but here in Spain it's going to be a 64 upwards. But as always guys, I hope you found it interesting. Please put your comments below, and yeah, as always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.